Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to buy Digimon War Greymon, right? It is a meme coin just like Digimon Rabbit. They have everything in common except the tax rate, alright? It is developed by the same developers of Digimon Rabbit. I've been following this coin for some weeks right now before it got listed on CoinMarketCap. So that's why I'm creating this particular video to show you how to buy it step by step. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, I want you to know that this is just a tutorial video and in any way is not a financial advice. Every decision you make, please, it is up to you. If you want a financial advice, make sure you meet a professional financial advisor. Alright, so the first thing you are going to do, just the same step on how to buy Digimon Rabbit, is to get the correct contract address. For you not to make a mistake, I'm going to place my link in the description of this video. Alright, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp. I will give you all the whole details you need in order to continue. Alright, so having said that, let's go into this video. The first step you're going to do is to get the contract address. Alright, so you can get the contract address by going to CoinMarketCap and you're going to type Digimon War Greymon. Alright, so this coin has been trending on BSC for some time right now. So you see it right here, and when you type it, make sure you add coin markets. Okay. So this is it, Digimon War Greymon CoinMarketCap. Right, so here is the coin. As you can see, all you just need to do is to copy the contract address. Alright, so you check the link in the description of this video, check it and reach out to me on WhatsApp, and automatically the message will drop to you with the right contract address. Okay, so once you've copied the right contract address, the next thing you're going to do is to add it in your Trustwallet. So right, I'm going to add it as a token. So click on add token, click on the plus sign right here, right, click on BSC, click on Smart Chain and paste the contract address. So you are going to see it right there, Digimon War Greymon. And because it has already been listed on CoinMarketCap, you might not need to follow all this process. Alright, all you might just need to do is to come on the add token, click on add token, then search for the coin right here, Digimon. So you can see it here, this is the coin here. You just add it because it has already been listed on CoinMarket. So you can see it right here. So once you've done that, as you can see from here, I have some of the coin already in my wallet right here. I have a little of this coin right here. Okay. So you go to your browser, then go to your Pancake Swap. I want to buy more of this coin. Go to your Pancake Swap. I'm going to click on change the Ethereum chain to Smart Chain. So you're going to see something like this. Then you're going to click on trade down here. All right, so you click on trade. So once you click on trade, you wait a little. So this is it. This is what you're going to see. Click on trade. They are going to change the cake. Change this cake. Change it to Digimon War Greymon. So all you can do is to still paste that contract address right here. So you can see it. Alright. Then you import it into your Trust Wallet. Then if I want to buy with all the BNB I have left, I'm going to click on maximum. Okay. Once I click on maximum, 11 BNB. So the next thing you're going to do is to set your slippage. So what I'm going to advise you is, for you not to waste money, the slippage is quite high, from 10% to like 7% to 10%. So what you're going to do, this is where you change your slippage. So I'm going to start from a very low slippage to see the one that can go. So right here, I'm going to change this to 5 and see if 5 is going to go. So you can see 5 cannot go. So the next thing I'm going to do is to change it to 6 to bring it up a little bit. If you go to 10 straight, you are going to waste a lot of your money because that is the tax. So the slippage is more like a tax, okay? If you are getting value from this video, kindly like this video right now, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. If you have any question as you are watching, let me hear from you right now in the comment section of the video. So, alright, make sure you set your slippage tolerance well. I tried several slippage. I tried 6, 7, 8. It refused to go. Then I had to put 9 and it was going for 9. So once I click on swap right here, alright, and I'll click on confirm. If you have set your slippage, if it's going to let you know. So you can see the contract, smart contract have been initiated. So it means that this slippage is correct. The $9 slippage, the 9% slippage, is going for this coin. So that is what you are going to use, alright, when buying Digimon War Greymon. This is a good token. I have seen it rise, and consistently rise. But make sure you do your own research before you invest your money. And while investing, make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. Alright, so if you are buying, the tax rate is quite high, as you can see, 8.5 to like 9.5. Right, so if you want to buy, make sure you invest the money you will not be willing to touch until you are in a very good profit. Okay, so that is it. So I had to take our time before uploading this video on YouTube to check out the Digimon War Greymon again, and currently it's around 700,000 market cap. So if you want to get into the project, because the tax is quite high for me, alright, and it's a very good project. So you should check when it goes down between 400,000 and 600,000, you can buy, alright. But if you just want to enter at any point, it is still below 1 million market cap. So maybe your intention is when you get to 1 million market cap, 2 million, 3 million, they can get. Alright, so make sure you check out everything before buying so that you avoid the fear of missing out. Right? You buy, you sell, your money will keep reducing and you will not be getting value. If you have any challenge, alright, make sure you click on the link in the description of this video. If you don't have BNB, I can sell BNB to you. My link is in the description of the video. Alright? So until then, see you next time. Bye bye.